For today's project, we are working on organizing a junk drawer. Whether you're organizing a small drawer in your kitchen or if you're organizing a huge garage, the process is the same. Here's how to do it. Step 1 is to clear everything out. Step 2 is to clean the space. Step 3 is to sort the contents into 4 piles: keep, put away, trash, and donate. My trash pile goes straight in the garbage, and I grab a basket for my put away items so I can easily return them to where they belong. Next, I sort all the keep items so I can better organize them in their new home. The last step is to style, and this is my very favorite step. For this space, I've been using these plastic trays I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I like them because they're affordable and they come in a few different sizes, so it's easy to create a configuration that fits your drawers perfectly. So this only took about 10 minutes, and it will probably be messy within the month, but it sure feels good to have it done and looking organized.